Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing the keeping fit and healthy of the chapter number 5 of fit and healthy with Oxford syllabus grade 7. Okay, today I am explaining you how you can become fit and healthy. Focus on my words. You don't have to go to the gym every day or taking some healthy exercises. It's just about the focus. You will have to do some simple things. First of all, do not use the fried food, and if you are using the fried food, then use vegetable oil instead of the animal fat, and boil or grill your food instead of fry them. Okay, then second step is eat less red meat. Try to avoid red meat and use the poultry and fish instead of that, because they contain less fats, as fish is one of the best diet ever. And the third one is try to avoid butter and cream, as they contain more fats. And next one, you should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. And as we have discussed about smoking is injurious to your health, so avoid smoking because it increases your blood pressure. uh, Take yourself relax and avoid stressful situations. And the next one is exercise regularly. If you are walking briskly for about 20 minutes, then it will take more energy or the same energy level as your workout in the gym for the same time, or around about 50 minutes, right? So take the exercise of walking briskly for about 20 minutes. Briskly walking is very good for your health, as when you walk briskly, it will move the oxygen to your brain, and also it will release the chemicals such as endorphins. And endorphins are the happiness chemicals, and they will make yourself relax and away from the anxiety. So you will make it will make yourself more happy. These were the simple and easy tips to make yourself fit and healthy. Here is the test yourself. You will have to answer the questions. Suggest why eating less fried food, red meat, and butter and cream will reduce your chance of having a heart attack in later life. As we eat less fried food, red meat, and butter and cream, as these foods contain more fats, more they are more fatty, so it will block the arteries of your heart and may cause the heart attack. And if we use the less such type of fried food and fatty food, then the chance of heart attack will be lesser. The second question is, explain why walking is a good form of exercise. Walking is a good form of exercise because it is providing the oxygen supply to your brain and your nerves, and it is better than the workout in the gym, and also it is releasing the endorphins. Explain why it is important to exercise regularly. Exercise regularly is very important because it is providing a blood stream to your whole of the body, and also making yourself happy by releasing the chemical endorphins, and that make yourself relax and away from the anxiety. That was the topic of fit and healthy, how you can become more happier and healthier by using these tips. Here in the diagram, here is the tip. that computer games might be fun, but they are not using much energy. It means that if you are going to do the computer games to make yourself relax, then it will not work. Do so such as the walking. So try to do the exercise regularly and taking the described route. Thank you.